Hello everyone. Welcome to the MOOCs on Print and Broadcast Journalism. In this session, I am going to talk about script writing and layout for radio. The objective of this module is understand about the basics of radio script writing. I am sure after going through this lecture, you will be able to understand about the mass medium, characteristics and limitation of radio, elements of radio programs, basic guidelines of radio script writing and various radio script formats. Radio is a popular form of mass medium. So let's get started with the introduction of mass medium. People use several mass medium for sharing news, views and expression to the readers, listeners or viewers. These mass medium includes print, radio, television, films and online medium. Each medium has its own characteristics and limitations. For example, print media, which includes newspaper, magazine and books that provide in-depth information to their readers, and this information can be kept for a longer period, assessed by the more than one reader as per convenient. Television and films can be watched and enjoyed at one single place by many people at a time, which is not possible in print media. Similarly, radio is based on audio medium and it brings voices to a large number of listeners from long distance. Each and every medium has its advantage and disadvantage in the field of operation, execution and impact. Print media depends on the basic knowledge of language and ability of reading. Television communicates any human being through voice and visual, but impossible for physically challenged. Radio is a very popular and helpful for illiterates, but it cannot help for those people who are unable to detect sound from their eardrums. So, every medium uses its strength to provide information, education and entertainment to the readers, listeners and viewers. Now talk about characteristics of radio. Radio was known to the close and credible medium during the early decades of 20th century. People used it as a source of factual information and news. It was truly the first medium of mass communication, reaching millions of people directly and changing social attitudes, relationships and how people related to their environment. Let us look at some characteristics of radio. Radio is an attractive medium amongst the other medium of mass communication. Because of its distinct feature and characteristics, it continues to be as popular medium in early years, despite the emergence of television, film and online medium. Here are some important characteristics of radio. Radio is a medium of sound. Radio is an exclusive medium of the sound. It is an auditory or oral medium, or we can say it is a medium of the ear. The radio programs transmitted through only audio element like spoken word or human voice, music and sound effect. A radio program producer mixes human voice with music and sound effects. It is a magic of Awaaz Ki Duniya that attracts their listeners through vocal tricks of the voice. Radio is a medium of imagination and it creates pictures in the listener's mind. I hope probably you know the story of Sanjay in the Mahabharata, who narrates the story of the live war from Kurukshetra to Dhritarashtra. Who could not see, Sanjay was blessed with Divya Drishti or divine eye. With the help of voice and wisdom, he creates pictures in the mind of Dhritarashtra. Sanjay was known as the first broadcaster in Hindu mythology. Similarly, when we tune a radio for the running commentary of the Republic Day parade or cricket match, we would know exactly what is happening in Rajpath in Delhi or the cricket ground. The commentator describes the details of the parade and as your event, and we create a picture in our mind based on commentary and imagination. It is a medium with unlimited range. Radio is a transmission of electromagnetic waves, and these waves are based on frequencies or the speed and length of wave as it moves from its radiation point. Every radio frequency wave creates various receiving ranges. Medium waves are likely to operate more competently at local ranges where shorter waves can reflect off the ionosphere and eventually it reaches any point around the world. Radio is a close or intimate medium. The radio presenter or broadcaster must imagine the listeners sitting by his or her side, shoulder to shoulder. The broadcaster must build an instant equation or relationship with the listener. Radio is a portable and mobile medium. A listener can carry radio set anywhere. It can accompany you and entertain you anywhere in your car, kitchen and drawing room. In rural areas, farmers usually take radio set during farming for their entertainment. Simplicity of the language of radio programs is essential characteristics. Listener of radio is maybe illiterate or semi-literate in developing and underdeveloping countries. So the language of the radio broadcast must be simple and should be closer to the spoken language that the common people use. Radio is considered as a medium of immediacy. It can report the events almost live as they are happening. Therefore, it is a medium of the here and now. Production of radio programs takes less time than print, television and films. For example, if we want to produce a program for television or film, we require a makeup, costume, light, sound, camera and set for shooting or recording. But in a radio program, the only requirement is recording and transmission facility. That's why radio is known as a faster medium than other mediums. If we evaluate the cost of radio program production and transmission, it is less than TV program production and transmission. Also, the cost of the handset is very less. A small radio set can be bought for as low as price as say 100 rupees. In comparison to setting a radio station with a TV station, it costs much less. Developing countries like India, it means a lot. It does not require electricity. The listener can listen to radio using small dry battery cells based on requirement. So radio consumes less energy than television. Apart from all these characteristics, radio has few limitations. Radio broadcasts are useless for those people who have no sense of hearing, especially those with hearing disabilities. Radio is a blind or viewless medium. In a radio presentation, the performer does not see his or her listener and listener cannot see the presenter like film and TV programs. At least viewer can see the performer or actor performs on the stage. Radio transmission is considered as a single chance or one chance medium because once radio program has been transmitted, listener has no option to access again if he or she missed the broadcast. For example, if we have a newspaper, magazine or other printed material, we can refer any time when for better understanding. But in radio, we can't. It does not exist unless we record it at the time of transmission. A picture is worth of 1,000 words. So having no visual is a main limitation of radio. Due to the lack of visual like television programs, radio is a little bit complex in understanding the actual situation. For example, if we see the news bulletin or talk or interview in a television about the horrors of COVID-19 and how to take precautionary measures, we understand it easily with the help of visual. So when we saw on television is more effective and realistic than what we listen on the radio program. Radio program content is another limitation of radio because it is easily forgotten. Visuals are often remembered and remain with us, but spoken words are easily forgotten. Presentation techniques are very important in radio broadcasting because if radio presentation is uninteresting or boring, listener may switch off their radio sets. So, the listener's interest depend upon how the program content is presented.